All right, some of the things I'm gonna be using to clean out this car this is the first thing that I have right here. This is Arm & Hammer Fresh Sensations inspired by nature carpet odor eliminator. I sprinkle this inside of the vehicle and let it marinate inside of the carpet before it gets swept up. So this is one of the things that I'm gonna be using. Put that right down there on the dirty car. The next thing I'm gonna also have, I have Rain-X 2-in-1 glass cleaner right here, okay? So it's a glass cleaner plus rain repellent, applies a beaded technology to enhance driving visibility. It shows you what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna be using that, put that down there. And then next in here, I also have a Endust for electronics. I'm gonna be using this to clean some of the insides and get some of the detail, the dust from out of the cracks and crevices. Place that right there. Then also, I have Armorall Tire Foam Protectant. After I take this through the car wash, I'm gonna put this Armorall Protectant on the wheels of the vehicle, on the tires of the vehicle, to give it a nice look. It's not too shiny. As you can see right here, it says natural finish as opposed to a extreme bright shiny finish. It's touchless, powerful cleaning, protects and conditions, restores deep black look. All right, put that down there. So these are supplies. We're still going in. Also, you're going to need some microfiber cleaning cloths. Microfiber cleaning cloths, good for applying the Rain-X, good for wiping down on the inside as well as the windows. So you have that. Also in the goodie bag, also have these glass cleaner wipes right here. These are disposable wipes. These are used to clean the glass. I'll be using this for the inside with the glass cleaner. Also, inside, I have Armorall Original Protectant wipes right here. This is good for cleaning off the dashboard of the vehicle and some of the things on the inside, such as around the radio center, the steering wheel. It's good for cleaning around there and making it look really nice. Also, in my goodies bag, which just fell a little bit, is I have right here a detailing brush. You see this right here? This is good for getting inside of the cracks and crevices of the vehicle. A detailing brush is definitely needed. And then to cap it all off, I have something for air freshener, keep the car smelling fresh. This is Scent Bomb, okay? So this is Scent Bomb Pomegranate right here. This is going to make the vehicle smell quite nice, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. So here are the supplies I'm gonna be using after I take it through the car wash to wash this dirty car down. All right, so let me go ahead, before you start using all this stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and put this Arm & Hammer Fresh Sensations Carpet Odor Eliminator. It's Island Mist flavor right here. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle this down. So when I take it to get detailed, they're gonna vacuum the inside of the vehicle and it will have this nice scent to it, but they'll vacuum up this right here, this sensation. So let me go ahead and get started with this.